Me, I know that you be desperado. Many. There's nothing you cannot do.
If I tell Jennifer's husband to throw her come out for this house, he go throw her come out.
Throw her out!
Leave, just go.
Make sure Jennifer sees you washing my pants. Okay?
Alright.
Okay. Your confidence level is too high.
I have loved you like a sister, and there is no way that I would intentionally hurt you.
This is my matrimonial home and I will do everything to protect it. Now go in there, get yourself and your uselessness out of my house. Slap her.
Jesus. What was that?
Are you choosing her over me?
Will you marry me?
Michael. Oh.
Anything Maggie wants, Maggie gets. Look, I don't mind. We can do a threesome. I don't mind.
You're washing my sister's pants. Michael, I'm talking, are you still washing? Are you alright?
Why don't you tell me this is a spiritual matter? I'm begging you.
Hey, Doctor.